One of the most complicated things that people ask is social media. How do I look at social media? Should I follow Amul? Should I follow Oreo? What should I do? And this is where I like to help you understand how social media actually works. And social media, I term it as the cancer of digital marketing. The reason is there is so much investment that goes into social media elements which does not yield you result. Where you are updating something on your social media, that is a very important perspective because it is going from brand. It has to be the highest quality. But do people actually reach out? So we try to keep it as a 1:3 ratio, that if you are investing 1 rupee on a creative, you need to spend 3 rupee in terms of amplifying it. Otherwise, there's no point in creating this. And also, when you look at it, how do you connect a social media post to the audience and to the business? How does it work? Because people are coming to social media not to connect with your company, but they're coming to get something and they want to consume two things, information or entertainment. These are two things that they will look at. How do you connect the individual with these topics and these topics with the brand? So between the brand and the topic, there can be a creative connect, there can be a copy connect, or there can be a product or topic connect. How do we look at all of this communication in a very structured way so that you don't have to struggle in knowing what is right for social media and how these things will work? And I will give you all these structures that will help you to become an absolutely brilliant social media professional at every level, whether from execution or from strategy perspective. Come to my webinar to understand more about it. I'll answer all of your queries and I'm sure that you'll get excited about how we are solving all of these problems, and this will help you in growing your career.